welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today we're going to be learning how I made this bowl of egusi soup. So let's go. So add your palm oil into the pot, and then I have this bowl of egusi, onions and meat stock. So you just put it into the hot palm oil, let it boil, then stir it all up together. Just give it a good stir because it's getting dried up already and you don't want it to get burnt. So I covered it to boil again, then stirring it up again. And then my pepper mix, so I added my pepper mix now. My meat stock also. Then I stir it up a bit again. I added water. So yeah, I mixed it up again. My locust beans, my crayfish, my salt, my seasoning powder. I stirred it all up together again. Yes, and then I added water again. Yes, so now my Mendemende, my snail, dry crayfish, shrimp. I added like 2 or 3 different types of dried fish and my chicken drumsticks. Yeah, amazing. You can already imagine how this will taste. So just stir it up, stir, stir. So after stirring, I'll just leave it to cook a bit. Then I'll add my vegetables. I used spinach. I didn't get ugu yet, so I just wanted to also try spinach. And trust me, it was so good. Covered it up to steam. And yeah, it's done. So stir again. Mix it all in. So, and that's it. When you're done stirring, the egusi soup is ready. You either enjoy with rice or any solid food of your choice, or with bread. Yes, I think egusi with bread. I actually do it. Actually very sweet, so you should try it also. And look at it. Look at it. So we're done. We're done with the making of this sumptuous egusi soup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.